Hi, my name's Matt from SMA Exteriors Restoration. Hey, we know severe weather just came through your neighborhood. So whether you're suffering from hail damage, wind, shingle damage, we'd like to help. We've been servicing the Twin Cities for over 2 decades, and we understand that this whole insurance process can be kind of daunting. All these different numbers, ACV versus RCV. You've got people knocking at your door constantly. It's a free consultation. Give us a call at 763-315-8900 or simply schedule your appointment right on your smartphone or your desktop at www.sma2day.com. It's a free consultation. We're here to give you information. Thanks.
SMA Exteriors and Restoration, serving Monticello, Minnesota. Schedule your free consultation today. Call 877-SMA2DAY or visit SMA2day.com.